Now, we all know that hashtags are a categorization tool, right? So if you use the hashtag, it categorizes your post in a particular group. So let's say you use hashtag food. Maybe you posted the food or something, you said food, or you made an egg, or you fried egg, or you did an omelette and you posted with hashtag omelette, right? So it is expected that omelettes would be things related to food, to egg, to, in that category. So if you post that and you use the hashtag, your post will be categorized with omelette, with egg, with food, in that group. Do you understand? Right? So hashtag has helped for the categorization of your post. Now, hashtag also helps for people to find your post. For example, if somebody is following the hashtag omelette, all right, you know that you can follow a hashtag just the same way you can follow people. All right, so since I can follow somebody and I can follow a hashtag, it means that when you post with that hashtag that I can follow, I can see whatever you've posted. I can also search in that hashtag. I can do a research in that hashtag. I can click on that hashtag and see all the posts on that hashtag. Do you understand? So if you post with a particular hashtag, then I can also see your post, right? So apart from categorization of your post, the hashtag is also helping for discovering of your post, discoverability, to improve your discoverability too. So you should be using hashtags, all right? This will help categorize your post better, and it will help us understand what your post is about, right? That's categorization, and also help us find your post, all right? So you should be using the hashtag, okay?